Step into the future with the Vivo T3 5G, the smartphone that's set to revolutionize your digital experience. With its sleek design and powerful features, it's the device everyone's been waiting for. Featuring a 6.67-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, the Vivo T3 5G brings your content to life with vibrant colors and fluid motion. The heart of the Vivo T3 5G is the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 processor, delivering unmatched speed and efficiency for all your needs. Capture the world in stunning detail with the 50-megapixel main camera, complemented by a 2-megapixel bokeh lens for those perfect portrait shots. Stay powered throughout the day with the 5,000 mAh battery and 44-watt flash charge technology, ensuring you're always ready to go. The Vivo T3 5G is more than just a phone. It's your companion for the next era of connectivity. Get ready to turbocharge your life with the Vivo T3 5G.